All right. We are week 33, day 3, DLR. And the first thing that it says here, it says, people who drive cars must use good judgment, and follow safety rules. All right. So what do we have here? It says, people who drive cars must use good judgment and follow a few safety rules. Well, I can tell you these ones do not jump right out at you, these problems, but I see a couple spelling errors. Who sees it? Yeah, go ahead. Trace.
They spelled safety wrong.
Spell it for me. Give me the correct spelling.
Safety.
Yeah, they did. People who drive cars must use good judgment. Do we see anything wrong there?
Is rule spelled wrong?
No, rules is spelled correctly, but judgment is misspelled. Could someone want to give me the spelling?
Judgment.
That's correct. No E in there. Now, here's a question for you. Is that a complete sentence, Sander? Follow a few safety rules. No, right? So, because that is not a complete sentence, we're not joining these two sentences together, right? With two complete sentences, you do not need a comma before that conjunction and, right? You don't need it. People who drive cars must use good judgment and follow a few safety rules. I think just those three things. So let's see, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 corrections for number 1. And the biggest one is you don't need a comma because you don't have two complete sentences being joined together with a conjunction. Because the second one, follow a few safety rules, is not a complete sentence, right? We don't have a subject in that one. You need a subject and a predicate in order for it to be complete, right? All right, so there it is. Number 1 has 3 corrections. Let's take a look at number 2. A driver should not drive too closely to the car in front of them. What do you got? Go ahead. Yeah. Let's get rid of the ly, okay? A driver should not drive too close to the car in front of them. Should it be them? Or should it be him? Or I like that better. A driver should not drive too close to the car in front of him or her, right? Yeah, Michael.
There's 2. I think you need to get rid of one of the O's.
No, that's actually correct. Yes.
You need to make in front one word.
Nope, that's also correct. It's 2 words, in front. Okay? I think we're good. We don't have any more corrections on this one. 1, 2. Okay? 2 corrections for number 2. Now remember, we read, we edit, and we write. That's correct. All right. So make sure that you're doing that, right? And doing it neatly. Hold them up. Let me see. Yep. We're posting these, right? Boom. There it is. All right. Complete the bold word with the root. That means foot. Drivers must watch out for ped, right? That is exactly right. Pedestrians. This root word, ped, means foot. pedestrians who are crossing the street. Use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold prefix. Circle the meaning. All right. If you are driving over the speed limit, you should decrease your speed, right? What would decrease mean? Down, right? D as in down, right? All right, there it is. Your DLR for week 33, day 3 in the books.